Hi, my name is Will from Edwards Sound Systems, and I'd like to introduce you to our range of portable sound systems. Now, each of the units you see on this table are battery powered and can give you up to 10 hours of continuous use. Now, we'd be sure to find a suitable solution for your specific needs, ranging from a 480 watt system outside on a sports field down to a little 10 watt system for smaller gatherings. This is the StageMan portable speaker. Like its bigger brother, the Stage Pro, it's the same size, same compact size, but it's got a 100 watt amplifier as opposed to a 150 watt amplifier, and the features at the back is also a little bit different. The StageMan is also modular, which means you can slot in different types of modules depending on what you need, like a wireless microphone receiver or a Bluetooth or media player. Below that, we've got two inputs which are switchable between mic and line, and each got its own volume control. There's a reverb on and off with its own dedicated level. There's also a voice priority button, which means if you've got music playing, you can turn your microphone on, start speaking, the music will cut out. The moment you turn your mic off, the music will fade back in, which is quite a cool feature. There's a 2-band EQ, treble and bass, and also a master volume. Now, if you don't have a media player module installed, you can plug your phone directly into this unit via this 3.5mm jack and a separate volume control for that. And then there's also a line out, which is a 6.3mm jack. As I mentioned before, this is a 100 watt speaker, but there's also the option of adding a companion speaker that you can connect via cable to the main speaker. If you need any more information on this or any other portable system, please go to our website at edwardznz.co.nz.